Now we want to talk a little bit about the improvement that we did for the grading infrastructure in Jevero. The first thing that we want to show you is how the grading table has been improved in 2019.0. First off, when we generate a grading table, we can, let's pick French sizes, we can add a suffix to the size. And let's say that this is a kid's shoe, so let's put a K after the size. So in this case I want to generate from 36 to 48 and 42 as a sample size, and I want to add a K to all the sizes. I press OK, and all the sizes now have 36, 37, 38 and so forth. They have a K after it. Of course, I can always bring back my my size measurement if I want. I can hide them. And a thing that we added is the possibility of deleting the sample size. I am prompted with a dialog, of course. If I am sure of what I am doing, say OK. Now let's regenerate one that is still French and say OK. And this one does not have a K, but I want to mark some of these sizes with some special letter. Say that 38 I want to mark it with a W. I can go to the size, and as you can see I can change my size name to in here. So let's add a W, and now the size has been changed with 38 to W. And if I have a group, let's add a group. Let's call it 00, and let's put here some of these 37, and from here to here some 47. And now we change the name of 47 to, I don't know, 47W, and everything is properly renamed, as you can see. So now our size selected is 42, but say that we want to add sizes, remove sizes, or change the sample size. Let's say that we want to go to a sample size of 40 here. We can right click on this column here, and we right click and we do set as sample size. And as you can see, sample size now is highlighted, it's 40, and as you have seen, the model has changed because now it's scaled down to 40. In this menu here, it is also possible to add a size before or after. Let's add a size before, and let's call it, of course now it's prompting us with 39.5 because it's between 39 and 40, but let's call it 39 and W. Say OK, and now we have this new size 39W and 39. Each size need to have a unique name, so if you try to name it as another size you will be prompted with an error. And the last thing that I want to show you now is the possibility of creating grading center on distance and on intersection. Say that now we have these two lines and we want to create a grade center here in the intersection of these two lines. We can easily do that by going to the grading center to the model, and as you can see we can right click on here and the center is added automatically. If we move this line, the grade center will follow. We can also create a grade center based on a distance. Say that we create it here, and what we have here is GC3 is created on a distance here on this curve, so it's connected to the curve and based on a distance. And also a construction line is created